Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your gardening skills with the Old Farmer's Almanac detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the unique features of the Old Farmer's Almanac. Familiarize yourself with its extensive gardening calendar. Explore the planting zones detailed in the Almanac to discover your local climate conditions. Identify the best times for sowing seeds based on your zone. Check for specific planting dates for different types of vegetables and flowers. Utilize the Almanac's comprehensive guide on soil preparation to ensure optimal growth. Learn about the various types of soil amendments recommended for your plants. Research the recommended watering schedules, including tips for efficient irrigation. Study pest management strategies provided in the Almanac to protect your garden. Explore organic solutions and natural remedies for common gardening challenges. Review companion planting techniques to maximize the benefits of your garden layout. Delve into tips for crop rotation to enhance soil health and yield. Take note of seasonal gardening advice tailored to your specific region. Explore detailed descriptions of various plant varieties suited to your growing conditions. Incorporate the traditional wisdom found in the Almanac for successful gardening practices. Create a personalized gardening plan based on the information gathered. Implement your plan by starting small and gradually expanding your garden. Regularly consult the Old Farmer's Almanac throughout the gardening season for updates and advice. Keep a gardening journal to track your progress and results. Reflect on your experience and adjust your methods as needed for future growing seasons. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.